Stocks are mildly lower this morning. Yields are a little bit higher, a little bit stronger than stocks are negative. As I speak to you right now, the Russell's down about a third of 1%. The Dow is down about 0.2%. The S&P is down about a tenth of 1%. And the NASDAQ just crept above the flat line to be up about 8 basis points. So we are off of our lows despite starting a little lower. Yields are a little bit higher, basically up 7 basis points across the curve, except the 5-year yield, which is only up 6 at 428. The 2-year sits at 474, 10-year at a 427 yield, and the 30-year at 441 with that 2s, 10s inversion. Let's call it unchanged, a little bit better, negative 46 right now. The dollar is stronger this morning, with the bulk of that coming from a weak yen after the Bank of Japan decided to leave rates unchanged. Also a weak New Zealand dollar. It's down about a half of 1% against the US dollar. That's pushing gold, silver, and copper lower, although crude oil is up about a third of 1%. Fed speak is back today. Today we get Fed speeches from Richmond President Patrick Harker. Fed Governor Lisa Cook is speaking as well. Tomorrow we get Boston Fed President Susan Collins, Fed Governor Adriana Krugler, Dallas Fed President Lori Logan, and St. Louis Fed President Alberto Musalem, also Chicago Fed President Austin Goolsbee. Looking ahead to earnings today after the close, we get two companies with market caps of over $1 billion or more. Lennar, the huge home builder, and Lazy Boy, we all know that company. Tomorrow before the open, we get one company worth $2.05 billion, and that's Patterson Healthcare. They're a medical distribution company. Data tonight, or I should say more correctly, very early tomorrow. Reserve Bank of Australia has a rate decision, not expected to move. Tomorrow we get core inflation in the EU, the ZEW economic sentiment indexes in both the EU and Germany, a UK 5-year gilt auction, and then retail sales and industrial production in the US.